Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up for YNAB. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. At the upper right part, you will see an option for Start Your Free Trial. Click on Start Your Free Trial. Now enter the email and password you wish to use. Then click again on the button that says Start Your Free Trial. You may also continue with your account in Apple or Google if you wish to. Once done, you will be directed to this page. To proceed, click on Get Started. Now enter your first name, or the name you want to be called. Now you'll be asked, how do you feel about your finances today? Click on the option that applies. Then click on Continue. Here it will show how YNAB helps. To proceed, click on Let's Go. It will then ask, who do you spend money on? Click on all the options that apply. Then click on Continue. Here, click again on the Continue button. Now you will be asked to tell about your home if you have a mortgage and if you currently have any debt. Click on the applicable options. Then click on Continue. Next, it will ask, how do you get around, or basically what's your mode of transportation? Click on the option that applies. Then click on Continue. For the following steps, you'll be asked questions related to your expenses. To proceed, click on Continue. First, select which expenses always sneak up on you. Next, select which of the following options you're saving or planning to. After selecting, click on Continue. And for the final question, which of the following options you want to include. Click on the options you wish to select. Then click on the button that says Show me the money plan. After answering the questions, you can now proceed to take off your plan. Click on Set Your First Target. To proceed, click on the button that says Let's Go. Now set up your first target. In this case, the type of my first target is a mortgage. Once your first target is selected, enter now the amount you wish to assign. Then click on Save Target. Next, to add your accounts, click on Continue. At the upper part of this page, you will see a button for Add Account. Click on Add Account. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Linked. Click on Linked. Next, click on Add Connection. Also, select where your most important bank is located. If it's from United States or Canada, click on North America. If it's located on United Kingdom or in selected European countries, click on Europe. It will then show that YNAB uses Plaid to connect your account. To continue, click on Agree. To log in with Plaid, enter your phone number. However, if you don't have an account yet or you'd like to skip the login, click on Maybe Later. After that, select the institution of your account that you want to add. You may use the search bar to easily find the particular institution. Before you proceed, verify your identity using the CAPTCHA verification. Once done, click on Continue Login. Now enter your account's login info. In this case, I'm going to add my Bank of America account. For verification, select how you'd like to receive the code, either via text or call. Then click on the Send Code button. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Once done, read the terms. Then click on Share My Data. Then click again on Continue. Here, select all the accounts you wish to add. In this case, we only have one account. Click on Select All, then click on Next. A pop-up window will appear where you will see the auto-assign preview. To proceed, click on Assign Money. Lastly, click on Finish Your Budget. And that's how you sign up for a YNAB. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.